Good morning, my beloved students. Today, we're going to have a social studies period, and today we're going to talk about early life. Early life. That means life in the ice age. Life in the ice age. Huh? Come on. Walid,
Yes, Mister.
can you live in the ice?
No, we will die maybe.
We will die?
We, no, but it's hard to.
It's very hard, right?
Yeah,
Yes, amazing. It's very, very hard. Yes, Yusuf, very good. We will freeze. We will freeze.
freeze.
But nowadays, Walid, can we live in the ice? Is it right? We can, right?
No, we can, but so freeze is so
Yes,
cold.
but we can. But in the old
Yeah, we
days,
can.
could we live in the ice?
No.
No, it will be very hard, right?
Yeah.
So start reading and let's know what this lesson has to offer.
Listen to early life. Over time, people became known as gatherers.
Yes, gatherers. Who are the gatherers, Walid?
People who collected meat of dead animals
Very good. People who collected meat and
and wild plants.
wild
Wild plants.
plants. Very good. And wild plants.
Plants.
Sorry. Yes. So they are people who collected meat of dead
Meat
animals
and plants.
wild plants. Very good. And wild plants. Very good. Now, Zain, those gatherers became what later? Zain is not here. Abdurrahman is
Yes, miss.
Abdurrahman, those gatherers before became what? Developed into what?
Development into hunters
Hunters. Who are the hunters?
animals to provide their families with food.
Very good. The hunters are people who what? Who kill animals
Animals
to do
to
what?
provide their families with food.
Very good.
So,
To provide their
animals
families with food. Amazing.
cook
Very,
them
very
and
good,
eat
Abdurrahman.
them.
So again, Yusuf Rafat,
Hunters.
can you tell me who are the
And
gatherers?
kill these animals and cook them and eat them for them. Kill them and cook them and eat them with them family.
Very good, Abdurrahman. Yusuf Rafat, tell me who are the gatherers? Yusuf Rafat? Yusuf Rafat?
You hear me?
I cannot hear you at all. The same mic problem. Ziad,
Yeah.
who are the gatherers, Ziad?
The gatherers are the hunters.
Yes, the gatherers are people who collected.
People who collected meat and dead animals and wild plants.
Very good, and wild plants. They developed into what?
They developed
Into what?
into hunters.
Into hunters. Very good. And those hunters did what?
Started killing animals to provide their families with food.
Very good. Those hunters killed animals to what? Yum, 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 yum.
To eat.
To eat them. Very good. To eat them.
Mister,
Hanifa?
can I answer?
Yes, Mister.
Read, please.
Historians study fossils, which are remains of living things.
So what are the fossils? What are the fossils?
Are remains of living things.
Remains of living things. Very, very good. Amazing.
And
Amazing.
here
Amazing.
the heart thing of the heart part of the animal.
Yes, the fossils are animals or dead animals or plants or humans even that died millions of years ago. Millions of?
Millions of years ago.
Yes, very good. Huh? Fossils.
Fossils of the first humans who in, who inhabited Asia, Africa, and Europe.
Asia, who inhabited. Inhabited means
Asia
lived in. Inhabited means lived
and
in. Huh? Inhabited what?
Asia, Africa, and Europe show us that humans lived in forests, plains, and
Plains
grasslands.
and grasslands. Very good. What's a plain, Yusuf? Sorry, Muhammad.
A plain is a wide open land that is usually close to the sea.
Very good. So it's a wide open land that is usually close to the sea. Very, very good. Thank you very much for that.
Sir, I
Thank you
have a
very much for
question.
that. As you can see here,
Sir, I have a
Yahya,
question.
Yahya, what can you see in the picture?
Yes, mister.
What can you see in the picture?
1 minute. Yes.
This is a what?
It's the people from the history.
Yes, people from old history. Very good. What is that?
Animals.
That's an animal.
Animals
So those
are-
are what? Those are what?
I'll say it now.
Huh?
I'm thinking that I know that.
Yusuf Ahmed Fathi, those are what?
Those are hunters.
Those are hunters.
Yeah.
Very good. And what are they doing?
They are
They
eating.
are killing the animals to eat them.
Very good. They are killing the animals to eat it. Very good. Very, very good. What clothes do they have on, Yahya?
What?
What clothes do they have on? Where did they get them? They went to the mall to get them?
No. They,
No.
they killed them.
They kill what?
They killed them.
They killed them all?
Yes, to eat.
They killed them all?
Not all.
They killed the people in the mall and took their clothing, right?
No.
No, what happened then?
They killed the animals.
Very good. They kill the animals and they take their fur.
Meat
They take
meat-
their
and fur.
meat and fur. Very good. Meat and fur. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Faris Rami,
Yes, mister.
read please.
Nomads were the people who first lived on our Arabian land.
So who are the nomads? Who are the nomads?
The people who first lived in our Arabian land.
Very good. They are people who first lived on our Arabian land. Very good. Complete.
Nomads were people who traveled from place to place to gather food and feed their cattle.
So if I told you here, Faris, nomads were people who stayed in one place. This is true or false? Huh? Nomads were people who stayed in one place. This is true or false?
False.
False. Very good. Huh?
Most nomads were hunters and gatherers.
Very good. Most nomads were hunters and gatherers. Very good. Bara Ibrahim,
Yes.
read please.
Nomads made a tool named the club,
Very good. So what's the club?
and they started hunting there.
What's the club? What's the club? The club is where we go to play sports.
No, it's
No.
a tool.
It's a tool. Very good. The club is a tool. And they
and they started hunting their own animals. The first clothes they wore were animal skin.
Yes, were animal skin. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yazan? Yazan. Yazan.
Yes.
Then
They developed better clothes using leather. They also
leather.
used leather. They also used ivory,
Antlers.
antlers, teeth, and bones to invent new and better tools.
New and better tools. Very good. So this is a picture of the what? A photo of the
Club.
A photo of the
Club.
Very good. And that's a fossil, something that has been dead for lots of years.
We take it in the science.
Yes, amazing. Muhammad Majid?
Yes, Mr.
Women stayed home. Had they gathered nuts, fruits, and leaves for eating, they also took care of the children.
So let me give you a question here. Women in the old ages went to hunt. Is this correct?
No,
No. She did what?
she cared for children.
She cared for the children. Very good. So did women work outside their homes?
No,
No, back in the days they didn't. Back in the days they did not.
they did.
Very good. But nowadays it's different, you know. Some women
Yeah.
work, some women don't. Here, Yahya. Yahya. Not here. Yusuf.
Yes, Mr.
Yahya, start reading.
Human.
How did people communicate?
Okay.
Or communicate? Human what? Communication. Human communication.
Hi, Mr.
Oh, Yahya is not answering me. So Yusuf Rami,
Hi, Mr.
Yusuf,
Yes.
start reading, please. How did
Okay, how did the communication?
people communicate?
Communicate. Human communication started through sounds that three people produced. They also communicated through hand gestures, which helped them develop. Gestures which helped them develop and express their thoughts and pass their ideas from one generation to another.
From one generation to another. Very, very good. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So we finished it. It's now time for some exercise. Let's do the exercise. La 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 la. Here, let's do the highlighter. Better. It will be fun.
I will close my mic.
Okay, Yusuf, thank you. Adam.
Yes, Mr.
The first one.
Nomads. Nomads, people who hunt animals to first people who lived in our Arabian lands.
Very good. They are the first people. Oh, no. They're the first people who lived in our Arabian Lands. Amazing. Very good, huh? Ahmed Usama.
Yes,
The next one.
the club.
Yes, what's the club?
A tool hunters used to kill animals.
Very good. It's a tool hunters use to kill animals. Very, very good. Faris Rami. Faris Rami. It's not here.
Mister, you opened my mic.
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm Tariq.
Oh, Tariq. Come on. The
What's
third one.
next?
Tariq, come on. The third one.
The third one, fossil. Fossil is the remain of old plants and animals.
Very good. Fossils are the remains of old plants and animals. Very good. Thank you
Of
very much,
all
Tariq.
plants and animals.
Very good. Thank you very much. Azadeen. Azadeen. Azadeen, not here. Malik Sahir.
Yes, Mister.
Huh?
Yes, Mister.
Malik Raiz.
I tried to open the mic.
Okay, as number 4.
Plain,
Yes.
which open land, which not this, which wide open land which is close to water.
Very good. This is the plain. Very good. This is the plain. Wide open land which is close to water. Very good.
Mister, I think the land that is close by water is coast.
A land that is closed by water from 3 sides is called a peninsula. Okay, a land that is closed by water from all sides is called an island. Malik Sahir, hunters.
Yes, hunters is people who hunted animals to survive.
Very good. Hunters are people who hunted animals to survive. Very good. Amazing. Very, very good. This is it. This is it. So thank you guys for this wonderful, amazing, special social studies period. And I'll see you again next week with a new social studies period. Thank you guys. Bye.